Take a look at this video and this other video. They were all created by this all-in-one AI tool that I am about to review to you in this video. With SendShort, you can create automatic short videos without editing, so you don't need any stress of editing at all. It allows you to crop your long videos into vertical shot in one click. You can add trendy and fully customizable subtitles to your video. You can also insert B-roll and add background music or sound effects to the video. The sweet part is that you can schedule your content directly from SendShort without the stress of posting videos daily by yourself. Let me quickly show you how to use this website so that you can get that viral video you have been looking for. Now, to access the website, you use the link under this video description. Then when you come to this website, you are going to see this interface like this. So from here, you need to sign in or you log in. If you already have an account, then you need to log in. But if you don't have an account, you need to sign in. So click on try for free. So from here, we have two options of signing in to this website. It's either you enter your email here, you enter your password, then click on sign up, or you can sign up using your Google account. So you click on sign up using your Google account and select the Google account you want to use to sign up to this website, and you'll be signed in to the website. After signing up, they are going to ask you this: welcome to your dashboard. Let's make a quick tour of the dashboard to get you started. So you are going to click on skip to skip that. This website is also available on your mobile phone, so you can use your phone to access this website. Now you are going to see this: what do you want to create today? So here you have three options. Here you can add subtitle and edit your short. You can turn long videos to short, and you can also create a faceless video. I'm going to show you these three options in this video. First, let's start with creating a faceless video. If you want to create a faceless video, simply come here and click on start. So here you'll be asked, what will the video be about? You need to choose your content, what the video is going to be about. So if you click inside here, you see different options here. You can also do a custom topic. You can add your own topic, what you want to create your video about. So for this video, I want to create about motivational, so I'll select motivational. Then you come down here. This is the AI voice actor you can pick from. For you to listen to how this voice sounds like, then you need to click on this play button to listen to how it sounds like.
Sun rises in the east and sets in the west.
So if you are satisfied with any of the voice, then you can click on it to select. Once it's selected, then you need to scroll down, and from here you pick an aspect ratio you want to use for your video. For this aspect ratio, I'll be going with the vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. You can pick a square size aspect ratio depending on what platform you are posting your video. But if you are posting your video as YouTube short, or if you are posting it as TikTok video or Instagram Reels, then you need to pick this vertical video. Once this is selected, then you need to come down, you select your video language. If you want to use any other languages, you can select from here. But for this video, I'm going to select English US. So once that is selected, this is where you can select the duration of your video. So for this, the default is going to be 30 seconds to 60 seconds, which is 30 seconds to 1 minute. So you can click on it, and they have two options available here: 60 seconds to 90 seconds. So I'm going to be selecting 30 seconds to 60 seconds. So once that is selected, you click on generate story. So after you click on generate story, you are going to be given option. This is your script. So from this place, you can customize the generated story before you submit. So inside here, you can also write your own script and paste it inside this particular place. If you are okay with the script you are given, then you can go ahead and click on create faceless video. If you are not okay with the script you are given, you can tap inside here and change what you want to change. After that, when you're done with what you want to change, then you come down here and click on create faceless video. And once this counts to 100, you are going to preview your video. You can also return to your home page, and once this is done, they are going to send you an email, or you can also have access to your video on this website. So once your video is ready, this is my video. You can take a preview of this video here by clicking on view.
In a quiet town, a young girl named Mia dreamed of becoming a dancer. Every day she practiced in her small room, her heart beating to the rhythm of her aspirations. But the world outside whispered doubts. You can't do it. You're not good enough.
Now, if you want to download this video, you're simply going to come down here where you see download short. Click on that, and your video is going to be downloaded. If you want to post this video to social media, then you can come to this particular option. Clicking on this drop down arrow, and you'll be allowed to connect your TikTok account, or you can connect your YouTube account. If you want to connect any of these accounts, you simply click on any of these two options to connect your account. Then after connecting two of your accounts and you want to publish the video to both platforms at the same time, then you click on publish to all platforms and your video is going to be published to both platforms at the same time. But after creating your video and you are not satisfied with the results you are getting, then you can come over to your video and edit the video. Now let me show you how to edit this video quickly. So come over to your video and click on this small edit button that you can see available here. So this is the edit page where you can do all your necessary editing. I'm going to show you all the necessary things you need to pay attention to in this place. So let's start from this upside. So here you can add elements. If you click on add elements, you'll be given access to different things you can add available here. This is the first one here is AI images that you can add. Then we have B-roll here. We have you can add hook. So I'm going to show you all that later in this video. Then here you can use the auto generate, whereby you can go multiple language and double down your sources. So your short is performing. So now you can generate auto caption for your short and also post it for other audience on YouTube that uses another languages. So here you can change your aspect ratio. We can use the top portrait, which is the 9:16. Then we use this other portrait, which is 4:5. Then we have the square. Then we have other platforms. Then we have YouTube Short, TikTok. These are other aspect ratio you can select from this place. So for this, we just maintain the 9:16 aspect ratio as it works for multiple platforms. Then over here we have what we call the show overlay. Then we have the effect. If you click on this effect, you'll be able to add the zoom in and also the zoom out, the floating and the rotate effect to your video. Then come over to this place where we'll talk about the elements. So for this element, let's start with the AI images. So if you are not satisfied with any of these AI images that were given to you, you can put your mouse over these images and you can see this replace current image. If I want to replace this image, I simply click on this one and this will replace my image. So here you can see that my image has been replaced. If I play this video, you will see the effect of this.
In a quiet town, a young girl named Mia dreamed.
So this particular image also, if I want to replace it, I'll just click on replace and the image will be replaced. Now we have automated. You can select here and you see the available automated AI images. This is self-generated. You can generate your own AI image available there. Then from here we have the B-roll. This B-roll is not necessary for this AI video shots that you are creating because it doesn't give you that feeling of images that resonate well with your voiceover. So if you click on this small arrow, you can add a hook that is not necessary for this. Then here you can add your images. So if you have any image that you want to use, you can click on these images, then click on import to import your image for this and then you use it. Now you can add audio. This audio you can add background music to your video. Currently there's no background music, but if you want to post this video on YouTube, I will advise you use the YouTube audio available on YouTube so that you don't have to have that access. So you can also download audio from YouTube using this particular button. So you can import an audio or you can download audio from YouTube and add to your video. Then we have text here. This is where you can add a new text over your video. Then for this particular option, we have thumbnail. So if you click on thumbnail, if you have an available thumbnail that you want to use for this particular video, then you can upload, import a thumbnail and add to your video. So from this edits, you can change the text that are available here. You can change the text and add any text you want to use to appear on your video. You can see this is the text. Then you can add models. This model means how the auto caption appear on your video. These are different auto captions you can use for this video. If I select this, you can see the caption changes here. So you can select any of this auto caption for you to use on your video. Then if you click on style, this style means you can format the auto caption. You can change the font from here. You can format it italics, or you can make it all capital letter. You can take it to the right, the center, the left, and if you don't want to add any shadow, you can click on no to remove shadow. Then these are other settings you can do to your caption. If you click on this arrow again, you can see you can export subtitle. Then you can use the AI read. So these are the things, these are the small editing you can do to your video. Then if you are satisfied, then you come over here to click on export and your video is going to be exported. Then now let's talk about how to edit your shot that you already have without creating the shot. Then if you want to edit that shot, then you need to come here and click on edit, subtitle, and edit my shot. So if you click on this particular option, they will ask you to import the file which is the shot you want to edit. So you click on import to import your file. So you select your video, which is the video you want to edit. Then you select the language from here, which is the English. So you can select any language you want to use, but I'll be using English for this video. Once that is selected, then you click on this import option. So here's this shot that I uploaded. So now you can go ahead to edit this shot by clicking on edit. So it's still the same thing you are going to do to this shot. You can add background music, you can add what you want to add to this video. Then you can add elements, click on elements, then you can add B-roll over this video. So let me play this video so that you can see what I'm editing here. So you can see how the caption is showing on this video. So if you are satisfied, you can go ahead to export your video. So now let's talk about how to convert long videos to short. So for that, you are going to be using this particular option. Click on it, and from here you can either use a YouTube video link or you can upload your video from here. So for this, I'll be using a YouTube video link. So let me just paste the link I'll be using for this. So this is the link. It's going to generate, you can see this is the video I want to use. So auto generate short videos, you make sure this is enabled, is turned on. Then from here, so from this option, you click on this edit icon, just click on it, and they will ask you how many automatic shots do you want to create. So if you want to create 2 or 3 or 5, you can select from here. By using this thing, you can go up or down. So let me just make use of 2. Then caption style, you can select the caption style that you want to use for this basic yellow normal SendShort. So let me just select this particular one. Then automatically enhance shot, so they can add B-roll for you, they can add zoom, they can add auto translate, you can add remove silent parts. So I'll be selecting they should add B-roll, they should add zoom, then auto translate. I don't think I will want to use that. Then you can add remove silent parts. So I'm going to remove silent part from that video. Then from here you click on validate. So after that, you click on import and you wait while this video will be imported. So now our video is done importing, and here is the video. So you need to click on the video now. Once you click on the video, you can see the video has been trimmed into different parts. So this is the first part, this is the second part, this is the third part, and this is the fourth part. So if you go to the left hand side here, you can see different parts of your video. So this is the first part, second part, third part, and this is the fourth part. So here they said your shot will be clipped and created based on the selection, which is this particular selection. So this is the dark side. So if you want to expand it, you can just click on here and expand to the parts you want to clip as the first as your first clip. So you can play and listen to how your video sounds like. So that's the video. So now if you are okay with this first part as it's clipped like this dark area, that's where will be exported. So now if I want to export this video, I'll simply go over here and click on clip one shot, and that will be exported. Then if I want to start from another place, you just click and drag over like this. So anywhere this dark area, that is where will be exported. So if I want to export this second part, I can clip to the part I want to export and click on clip one shot and export the video. The SendShort AI website, they also offer their premium service. So if you want to pay for that, it's a good investment for your online journey. So they have their Subtitles Pro, which is cost $19 per month. But if you are paying for a yearly subscription, it gives you $15 per month, which gives you 20% off. So here we have their $19 per month service. These are the features involved for the $19 per month. They have $29 per month. These are the features involved for the $29 per month. Then they have the expert option, which gives you $59 per month. These are the options available for that particular option. So any of them that you like and anyone you can afford, then you can click on get started to make payment and make purchase for your services. If you want to make purchase for this service, then use the link under this video description and you are going to have a little discounts on your purchase. Thank you guys for watching, and this is how to use this website for your own advantage.